So in this video, we're going to go over low bear, or it's a common DNS position that we'll use in the office for rehabbing the shoulders. So what we're going to do is start off in tabletop position here. So hands are going to be directly underneath the armpits, and then knees directly underneath the hips, curl the toes. And what we're going to do is stay nice and tall throughout the spine here. And we're going to breathe in, expand the abdomen, and then lift the knees up off the ground about 2 inches. And we can do several variations here. So we can either lift each foot just like that, or then we can also lift the arms just like that. And then what we'll commonly do is throw something on your low back. So whether at home it's a notebook or a slider like you have in here, and we'll pop back up. And what we want to make sure that we're doing is keeping that notebook stable while we lift from side to side. So we can start with that, and then as a progression, we can throw a weight on here, and again, pop back up, and then practice pulling the weight from side to side, just like